Hey, it's Kamala here from Creative Moms Decant. Today I'm going to show you how to make a coordinate sign using Cricut Design Space and my free files. Let's go. So the first thing I'm going to do is prep the frame, and I'm going to give this two thin coats of paint because it's kind of a fake board. So I'm just going to use some white paint for my background, and then I am going to stain with my favorite dry stain that you add water to, the outside borders. So I think this will turn out really classy, especially for a wedding gift or a first home gift. And these files are all available in Cricut Design Space. I designed them myself, and you can click the projects below in the description if you'd also like to have these files. So I'm going to go ahead and rock this out, and then I'm going to show you how to get the coordinates and how to use the files in Cricut Design Space.
Every change has a reason, baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. We are close, can you feel it? Something is behind the clouds. We just have to believe it, that we can make the sun come out. Let us lose ourselves in a fairy tale. Who can say what's wrong or right? We're the only ones who can decide. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now.
We need to get our coordinates for us. Let me show you this website. So if you go to Google and you type in GPS coordinates, it's the very first one that pops up for me. And you scroll down just a little ways, and right here is where you'd put in your address, whatever address you want to use. So I'm going to put in where my husband and I got married. And then you can zoom in here to check it, which I've already done. What you want to do is come down here to your coordinates. So we want the ones that's degrees, minutes, and seconds. And you want to write these down. So I'm going to write down north 39 degrees, 10 minutes, 20.237 seconds. And then I'll write down my other one. So I have all of these projects available in Cricut Design Space. I've linked them below. So I'm just going to open up one of these so that we can learn how to edit it. All right, so the first thing you're going to have to do is do some ungrouping. So you're going to ungroup it all, and then you're going to ungroup this bottom section, which is going to ungroup these numbers. I've made it super simple. It is all the sketchbook Cricut Design text. You can change the north and the south if you need east or west, but you really just go in here and edit these numbers or the north and south, and then you place things right back in place. So I'll show you here. You just don't want to remove my spaces. So I have a couple extra spaces and things, and don't remove those. Keep those in there. And then you change the number, and then you put the number line right back in place, and you've got it. So it's super, super simple to edit these files. All of them work the same way. All right, so I'm just using Cricut permanent vinyl here to, I cut it and now I'm going to weed. It weeds so easily. It's so easy to use. And then we're going to put this on our board. And the one that I grabbed, you just have to glue the sides together. So I'm going to do that. This was a super, super simple project, and it really makes the perfect wedding gift or first home gift. So perfect gifts, and a really awesome customized item. So with the address and the numbers, it definitely shows that you took time to make this project special.
Every change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now.
So grab these files from Cricut Design Space, and I hope you enjoy them as much as I have. Have a joyful day. Thank you so much for watching. Likes and subscribes, they really help our channel, and we really appreciate it. Bye, friends.